We'll guide you through how to get free Dropbox storage. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile picture to open the Account drop-down menu. From there, select Settings, and then navigate to the Plan tab. Here, you'll see the current storage space you have and options to get more. One of the easiest ways to earn free storage is by referring friends. Dropbox offers extra space for each friend who signs up using your referral link. You'll find this link in the Plan section under Earn More Space. Share it with friends via email or social media, and once they sign up and install Dropbox, you'll get additional storage. Another way to earn free space is through completing the Dropbox Getting Started guide. This involves simple tasks like installing Dropbox on your computer, uploading your first file, and installing the mobile app. These actions can sometimes reward you with extra free space. Keep an eye out for any promotions or offers Dropbox might have, as they occasionally run campaigns that provide bonus storage for trying new features or services. Remember, these methods are subject to change, so check the Dropbox website for the latest opportunities. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.